Hello friends, this is Elias from Acumen Academy, back again with a new tutorial of Photoshop, and in today's video I will tell you how to make dispersion effect. So let's start. But guys, before, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please go and subscribe our channel and make sure you watch the video till the end to learn the full procedure. So first of all, we will select any selection tool and we'll select the object or person, anything you want to disperse. After making the selection properly, we will go to select and mask. In older versions, you will get refine edge tool in place of it. So from select and mask, we will use refine edge tool and we'll refine the edges properly. After it, from here we'll click this and layer mask will apply. Now we'll create a new layer and make sure the foreground color is white and paint it with paint bucket tool. Now make a layer copy with Ctrl+J of this layer and put it above this. Now from here apply the layer mask and again create a copy and hide this one. Now put a layer mask on it and use a brush tool. Now you have to use explosion brushes. I'll give the link in description so you can download it from there. Now make sure the foreground color is black. Take an explosion brush, zoom in and start painting like this. You have to paint the area in which you want the dispersion effect. After it, flip the colors and again zoom in and start painting like this. So you have flipped the color, so whatever you have erased, it will come back by this process. So you have to hide these sides by the explosion brush, so it will give a dispersion effect. Now unhide this layer, go to filter, liquify, use this tool, you have to use wrap tool, adjust the size and stretch this portion. Then press OK. Now put a layer mask, select it and press Ctrl+I to invert the layer mask. Select a brush, adjust its size and start painting in a particular way to give the dispersion effect. Now there are various explosion brushes, so you have to change them and give different effects, like you can see on the screen. After giving the effect properly, you can keep this photo simple as like this, or you can add any background of your choice, like I am showing you. I'll select this picture, copy the background by Ctrl+C and paste it here by Ctrl+V. Put this layer in between these layers below all the mask layers and adjust it by Ctrl+T, and you can see the effect. So guys, you can see the results. So if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want any help or video on any topic, then please tell us in the comments below. Thank you.